Oi, pessoal. Saiu o trailer GTA 6 aqui na Netflix. Estou conectado aqui na conta Netflix. Bora assistir um pedacinho para ver? Uma gameplay? Vamos ver como é que ficou. Olha o gráfico.
Alright, that's the block right here. Be cool. Don't, you know.
What?
Nothing.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what's up? Y'all trying to smoke?
No. Y'all know Booby?
Booby, huh? Yeah. He ain't here, though.
Well, we're picking something up for him. You know anything about that?
Yeah, go inside and ask for Raymond, bro.
Appreciate it.
Louco. Parece o filme, hein?
Man, I don't even want to hear that shit.
Hey,
Like, I don't even want to hear that shit.
hold up, bro. Yo. Y'all need something? Raymond?
Nah.
What you want? Booby sent us. We'll pick up.
Alright. Yo, we going up. Right inside.
Should do this here for a pickup or a drop-off.
Pick up.
Straight up, first door on the right.
Yep. How you doing, big guy?
26 minutos dessa gameplay.
This has got to be the door, right?
Looks like it.
What you want?
Yo, Raymond around?
Nah, never heard of him.
Yo,
Hey.
we need pick up for Boo-Boo.
All right, hold up. Yo, Ray, these two said it for Booby? Already told that motherfucker what the fuck going on, man. He seriously sent y'all over here right now.
We're just here to collect, man.
Why he ain't come collect? You ain't asked yourself that.
No.
Look, we could go back empty-handed.
My partner's off the grid right now, you feel me? Until I figure out what the fuck he at, what the fuck going on. You know.
Beleza, rapaziada.